Hi, my name's Jenny, and I'm the illustrator behind the Jamtastic book, An Alien in the Jam Factory, and I'm delighted that Peters have selected this book to be in their summer book clubs for schools. This hilarious book series is jam-packed with adventure and filled to the brim with belly laughs and lovable characters. The story follows the star jam inventor Scooter and his top secret alien sidekick Fizzbee on their mission to save their jam factory from Scooter's dastardly neighbour Daffy Dodgy. She wants to steal his jam recipes. This is Scooter McClay, an award-winning jam inventor who with his parents own McClay's Jam Factory. Scooter has cerebral palsy, a condition that he was born with and that affects his movement and coordination, but he doesn't let it hold him back. In fact, Scooter's cerebral palsy helps him with his inventions. His hyper-creative brain is constantly fizzing with brilliant ideas, and his handbots help him with the tasks that he might struggle with. When I was drawing Scooter, I had to keep two things in mind. One, making sure Scooter's condition was shown correctly and celebrated his differences. And two, making sure I got his wild, crazy red hair right. It gets bigger when he has lots of ideas. Next up is Fizzbee. Fizzbee is an alien who has crash-landed in Scooter's jam factory. Fizzbee is bright orange, has two big antennas, two big eyes, and is about the size of a Brussels sprout. I know, super tiny. When drawing Fizzbee, I wanted to make sure she looked fun. She is an alien after all, and she could look pretty much how I wanted. When drawing her, I would imagine a squishy tomato and imagine how that would move about, and more importantly, how it would ride a jam tart. Then there's the villain of the story, Daffy Dodgy. She owns the neighbouring donut factory, and she wants to steal Scooter's family recipes. The thing about me is I love drawing old people. You can get so much character and emotion into their wrinkles. When I first read Chrissy's description of Daffy, not only did I laugh, but I also had a clear vision of exactly how she would look. Brown velour tracksuit and all. Then there's my favourite character of all, Boris. Boris is Daffy's guinea pig best friend. Boris is a fluffy white guinea pig who is forced into a few too many perilous situations. His body is made up of two blobs and all of his personality comes from his eyes and his eyebrows. I mostly draw him looking rather miffed at Daffy's plans. You can have a go too at drawing him. I'd love to see them. Thank you so much for listening. I really hope you enjoy reading An Alien in the Jam Factory. Enjoy all the pictures too. Bye.